Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to set up a newsletter on Wix. So firstly, let's go to Wix editor page. This is Wix editor page. You can see here editor, and in this page you have to go to this pages and menu first. Now you have to choose the page where you want to add the newsletter. I want to do it in inspiration blog, so click on this. In which page you want to add your newsletter. Okay, I'm gonna add a newsletter here, so click on this plus icon, add elements. Now you can see here subscribe, welcome, promotion, contact. Now choose subscribe and choose any template from here. I'm choosing this template. Now you have to hold for some seconds, like 2 or 3 seconds maybe. Now you can see here that get the latest news to your inbox, or you can double click and edit to newsletter. You can edit anything you want, or like this newsletter. Now here you can see the heading, fonts. You can change the font. If you can change the pixel, you can make it bold, or you can make it italic. That's up to you. Okay, you can cross this box and you can go to the now if you click on this uh, blank option, you'll find here set triggers. Click on set triggers and you can change the name here. You can see that automatically display pop-up on images. You can click on yes. Delay seconds too, you can make it 5 or 0, that's up to you, and make it 4 seconds. Now you can see here that how does pop-up close, cross icon or close button. You can choose any one of this. After that you can click on close. If you go to settings, that's the same, just click on close, and if you click on preview, you can see that your newsletter has been updated and ready. So this is how you can uh, set up a newsletter on Wix. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.